The shimmering panels on First Energy Stadium, home of the Cleveland Browns, and this Marriott waterfront hotel in Baltimore are meant to catch the eye. But those panels, Rhino-Bond composite material with polyethylene core, may catch fire, the same material found in the Grenfell Tower apartment building in London. British authorities are investigating whether those panels helped spread the flames that ripped across the building's outer walls, killing at least 80 people in June. Responding to an exclusive AP report, the city of Cleveland held a news conference Thursday insisting its stadium is safe.
There is zero risk to the fans, and I can say that with confidence from this cladding, that there will not ever any chance of a Grenfell-style situation here.
Just how many buildings in the U.S. have the paneling, also known as cladding, is unknown. But according to Arconic's website, exterior and interior sections of Dallas-Fort Worth Airport's Terminal D used it, and so did a mixed-use office building in Denver for its top 2 floors. Detroit Public Schools used 26,000 feet of it in 6 early childhood development centers, and a high school in Alaska installed 20,000 feet of the cladding.
We are looking at options, studying it more, understanding what the risks are, and presently we're finding that the use of it on single-story buildings, lower-level buildings, is appropriate according to the manufacturer.
But the cladding is not recommended for use in buildings above 40 feet because it's combustible. Still, cities and states can set their own rules.
And I think that those individuals have the right to know whether it is an unreasonable hazard or not.
Fire protection engineer Douglas Evans inspected high-rises in Las Vegas and has extensively studied fires on building exteriors for almost 25 years.
It depends on how diligent all the players were in putting the assembly together.
In the wake of the fire at the 24-story, 220-foot-high tower in London, Arconic announced it will no longer make the product available for high-rise structures. In a statement to the Associated Press, an Arconic spokesman said that its product is certified for use in the UK and US, and the company will gladly work with any customer who has questions about our product. But determining which buildings might be wrapped in the material is difficult. City inspectors and building owners might not even know. In some cases, building records have long been discarded.
But that is a common finding throughout the industry, is that the building itself, the owners of the building, don't seem to have a lot of these records.
While British authorities ordered widespread testing of aluminum paneling after the London disaster, experts say a similar review is needed in the U.S. The Baltimore Marriott is expecting its own test results soon. No one has declared the U.S. buildings unsafe.
You cannot build to code in the United States and have the systematic failures that the Grenfell fire had.
High-rise buildings are required to have sprinkler systems and multiple exits, safeguards the Grenfell Tower did not have. John Moan, Associated Press.